Ah, shit. There goes that. Still have a green light.
God just know we meant to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You can fall in apart. Flashing it from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you. Flashing it from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you.
I don't like these stuff. These red lights. Overtaking on the left, on the right side. Where's your signal? There it is.
What keeps the brain ascending? What's enough to get me?
I have no idea. I don't want this person to freedom. Where's your turn signal? Come on. Luckily I knew you were going to do that. I should use it for the video. Parang pumunta sa birthday ng tayo. Ang kahit. Ako nung pakita pangalan. Shit. Ang kahit ko. Tingnan ko kaya. Ang kids. Enzo. Kaya ako pala ako. Lorenzo. Sa birthday na kayo. Kailangan ko punta doon. July 8 na. First birthday. Right? Kaya kita yung first store. Yung first minute. Ang sabi ng friend ko. First store, Salvation. Kapakitang tayo, buy all the meals, get another one. Salvation Army. Walang mag-guard, ibalo. Walang mag-guard kita tayo ito, ibalo. you don't know which way you're going? Jeez.
There's too much confusion. I can't get no relief. Businessman there will drink my wine. Come and take my nerve. Love will let go on the mind. Nobody under this burden.
Like, seriously? Holy shit. That was bad. That's not even on here. Oh no, they won't. It's too much of a slope.
Yes, I have to go to St. John to go in.
I know, that's what I mean. But there's still a slope there. Come on, mate. There's a car in front of this one, right? That's why. It's a slow person. Elderly.
Yeah.
Look at that. Still way back there in East Bourbon.
Just who you are. Use a bitch. Your hormones probably switch inside your DNA. Problem is, all that sucker shit inside your DNA. Daddy probably snitch. Heritage inside your DNA. Backbone don't exist.
Come on, lady.
Jellyfish I drink.
Jesus
She might
Christ.
better be, most definitely don't die.
Get to those in the circle. Making a U-turn.
Ay, nakana.
He's
He's too young.
about 23. And he's riding by himself too, so that means at age 18 he started. Ala na.
Like a naughty toy, then I go and hide in plain sight like a lobby boy. It's that you dead on the matter. Riding for my niggas getting locked up in the slammer. Elders saying everything's a nail to a hammer, and niggas can't spell, but we know I Instagrammer. Real dumb, better than real sick. I read niggas with a nigga real weird. Really, I ain't met nobody smarter. That's why I got admitted, but I still rejected Harvard. I'm the Fresh Prince in a school where they couldn't read. Mama.
Oh, that shit looks bad, bud. God damn. Okay.
Better to go this way if we go over there.
Yeah. See, look where we put the flowers. Right on the post. What kind of brake lights are those? Holy shit. I would not buy that car.
Bakit?
You saw that? Only the on the trunk is the only brake lights. The two on the sides are
Bad
supposed
niggas about to feel the full effect of intellect, so I can collect respect. Plus a check, now I'm fit to get into my mental and take care of the business I need to attend to. Cause my rich do, and this rap shit's my meal ticket. So you goddamn right I'ma kick it or get evicted. I bring terror like Stephen King or Black Casanova.
Rumble. Oh shit. Yo. Oh shit. One down. One down. Oh man. God damn.
Alive. No prize. Okay, no. There was no winning ticket sold for last night's $55 million Lotto Max jackpot. There were also 4 Max Million prizes of $1 million each up for grabs. None of them were claimed. The jackpot for the next on February 23rd will now grow to approximately $60 million with 16 Max Million prizes.
Sali naka-McDonald's.
It's fine with me. I don't care whatever food. He's gonna run it. Watch.
I can't blame myself. I need to take it easy,
Oh, I guess he's not.
There's only one of him. May sinabraya pa yung guy.
No, typically they'll try and run the green. Go, it's a dual turn. Nice cutter. Hit my car, see how the insurance is.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Both cars. Man, he's feeding the damn kids. Like there's just like 3 full. He could have stopped. Not the food. Good job, BMW. Thanks for signaling.
Wow.
Yep.
160 lang yan.
that? 119 over here.
121 nila dito sa akin, right?
Yeah, what the hell? Oh, they gotta be playing a joke. You gotta be kidding me. Take a look, when we're going by, take a look at it. In the rear view. The side mirror first. Other side might be 121, but 116 going up. Oh, come on.
Handmade jewelry, art, and more. Or you can check out the Trinity Bellwood fleet being held over at the Great Hall located at 1087 Queen Street West. They'll have new and vintage vendors, artisans, and designers, plus children and four-legged friends are welcome. For both, admission is free and they run from 10 to 5.
Ooh.
Reporting from the streets of Toronto.
Put the phone down.
Brought to you by Don Valley North Toyota. I'm Stephanie Henry.
This guy. The car head hasn't gone and he's still already going at it.
The exhibit is going to close at 6 p.m. on March the 18th, at which point the Pandas can pack up their bags and head for Calgary. The Pandas are on loan from China as part of a deal between that country and the Harbour Administration. The agreement was they would live in Canada for 10 years, splitting their time between the Toronto Zoo and the Calgary Zoo. Coming up in 60 seconds, a look at your weekend business report. 680 News Time, 10:55.
Oh, you just can't drive. that's the problem, you just can't drive.
But you don't want the hassle of attaching a second mortgage to your house. This is called a More With Your Home loan.